Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of NFL. We will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about NFL. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.